I will not reply some comments from the comment section. I will bring them to the forefront so that some people who has this mindset will also not ask those stupid questions again. You see, read that comment and let's talk about it. He said we are useless and irritating. We don't add value to the society. We just create ethnic violence and whatever. You see, these are just psychological way to make people feel like you are the problem. You know, everybody will tell a pregnant woman congratulations, but nobody tell her sorry because nobody remember how many times she was knocked before she became pregnant. Some women don't collect 600 and something knacking before one belly enter. But that 9 months, they will be telling them congratulations. But how many times they knock them for night with the pains, nobody will remember. That is the problem. What happened behind the scene that makes us start reacting is what you don't want to talk about. When the Bini guys were online insulting hell out of us, even up to today, calling us slave, you do not see any of them to go to the comments and say, why are you causing nuisance? Why are you irritating? Why are you inciting violence? Why are you insulting your fellow human being, degrading them to slave? When we react with the truth, not like we're insulting you, when we not tell you the reason why we are different from you, because if we are slave, truly, if we are slave, we are not the same. You will not start online to come fight saying we are inciting this and we don't add value. You that is adding value. Why are you not telling your people the truth? Is it not someone that screenshot my picture with Almighty and the Way and say we are scammers? How I wish I said it time without number. I am making money from this social media. When I don't run come on for internet. Because even if you like report me, I will create so many accounts. If I'm making money from this thing I'm doing, you think you want to accuse me that people are sponsoring me and I'm begging money? When I get luck, send my money and they do all these things. That is the luck people have. If I'm cashing out on social media, I will. When I thought I'd be jobless with that, I will become more jobless then. Because now I know where money is coming from. I will sit down, I'll be making more than 6 videos in a day. Even what I said before, I will repeat it again. So that money will keep coming. People think that all of us are fool. Because they have defeated you front and back, giving you fact and evidence, you are just fighting. You know, a dog that is about to be killed will be opening teeth and be trying to, know whether he go use nail or finger to scratch the people that want to kill him. They have defeated you front and back with fact and evidence. You are not turning their scammers, that this and that. Look at the post now. And I pity those who are following such people. Say you are fighting for Anyoma, you are fighting me. Me that is fighting for a state. I'm not even fighting for my own pocket. I'm looking for how my people will be liberated and have a own state that can govern themselves by themselves. You say you are Anyoma Muslim. Is there any place in the so-called South that harbor Hausa Muslims than we in the Asaba, from Asaba to Agbo? Do you know how many Northerners that live in our region? With all the killings of Fulanis, we've never attacked any of them and say that the people they kill us. Like what happened in Uromi. And you say you are an Anyama, you're a Muslim, and you call me a scammer. When I get locked, I know they make money from this social media. When I for don't run, come out. Because the way I will be making videos to make more money, when I don't know what the money they do. Say somebody they sponsor me. You get locked, say nobody they sponsor me. Because if somebody is sponsoring me, when I for don't run, come out for social media. You see what thing they do to Nubu? Nubu say I know they watch social media again. Now what I for do now? Thank God that so many people are now speaking up. Now this one is now asking me when the Ndigbo history started. Is Ajah Crowther that named them? How am I open? That is why I said that I won't be replying, because it's an insult to me to come and be replying an ignorant fool in the 21st century. Somebody who cannot think. Now I've shared a story how my grandmother have her name as Ndigbo. My grandmother died at the age of 80-something. My grandmother was born in Akuku Igbo. Akuku Igbo is the headquarters of Oshimili North local government. You know, Akuku Igbo is a village in Delta. Remember the name Akuku Igbo. My grandmother was born there. The mother went to market, and that was where they gave birth to her. They call her name Ndigbo. You know, I told you in the ancient time, they give name according to situation, how things they happen. My grandmother gave my mother Ubugo because she too gave birth to my mother on the farm road. Now, if Ajah Crowther named the entire place is Igbo, is he the one that named it Akuku Igbo? Because Akuku Igbo have been existing before Ajah Crowther was born. Or you want to tell me that Akuku Igbo is a village that started yesterday? Because if you go and check, it's not on the internet. The history of Akuku Igbo is dated 15th century. Ajah Crowther was 18th century here, when slave trade was abolished. He died in 1890 something per se. The truth is this: how can Ajah Crowther give a name to people who has already been answered? That's why I say sometimes when people say Igbos means slave, I just they laugh. We decided, okay, our people decided to answer Akuku slave, Akuku Igbo, Akuku slave. So what is their problem? We decided to answer slave. Why are you angry? Say Igbo people, is Ajah Crowther that give us Igbo name. So who called them Akuku Igbo? Who called my grandmother Ajah Crowther? And I make us begin answer an Igbo. A woman of that age. I told you about Ibuku. Ibuku before it's being called changed to Ibuku was Igbo Nkwo. Nkwo market ka na-azụ n'ebe a kpọ ya ndị Igbo na-azụ afịa Nkwo. Igbo Nkwo, go and ask, verify information. Come internet and be opening mouth. I said thank God that a lot of people are speaking up. You will see the comment I'll be posting here. You pause and read them. How an Ekaman is the head of Ndigbo Nine na Kaduna. Look at the comments. Someone said that as an Ekaman, if anybody rejects Eka, he's very mugu. See, I say thank God for a day like this. Thank God that some of my people are beginning to realize the truth. People cannot divide us anymore. And I say the funniest thing that even if you deny from there reach tomorrow, there's nothing you're benefiting. So why denying? Like say if I say now no be Igbo man, there's nothing. There's nothing to benefit from all this denial. I'm out of here, Joe.